All right, we want to transition things to the awesome stuff that's happening outside. At least I was outside today, and I mean, it was windy, it was cold, at times, but the sun was there.
Yes.
And that is all we need here.
Yep.
The sunshine makes such a difference, I'm telling you. I think, it's just the sign to kind of get you up and going. It provides a little extra motivation, especially on a Friday. It's even setting you up for success this weekend. But for Friday night football, the clouds are going to stream back in and temperatures will fall back into the mid to then low 50s as we go through game time. But we don't have any huge weather woes except the fact that that breeze is not going anywhere. So you can expect gusts at times. Remember, this is not a consistent thing. These ebb and flow as we go through time, but gust range anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour, even as we approach midnight tonight. So that's going to have an impact on the game if you are heading out to maybe spectate a local game tonight. As you know, playoffs continue across the area. You are going to want maybe an extra layer. So your weekend outlook in a nutshell, we continue with cloud cover. The cloud cover around tonight hangs around for the day tomorrow. You're going to have to make your own kind of sunshine. It's not going to be as, fortunate as we have been on this Friday, but we do have a midday rain chance. It's not going to be for everyone. It's going to be few and far between. And then by Sunday, we do see more sunshine. And I think a lot of you are going to like the Sunday forecast because earlier this week, in full transparency, because, models change. And as meteorologists, we try to update you and bring you all the latest. And it's not a perfect science. Things evolve over time. And as we get closer to events, Sunday looks a little bit more on the dry side as opposed to what we were forecasting earlier this week. The perk of the breeze that we have continued to deal with today is it's out of the south. So a southerly wind helps us bring in more mild air, and we're still trending about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So our actual air temperature is close to 60. A lot of you 60 on the dot. Elyria right now, same thing in Dover at 61 in Ashtabula. Zooming you out and showing you the region, we are all oh so mild right now. In fact, our neighbors to the west and the Chicagoland area still close to about 60. St. Louis at 70, 65 in Atlanta, but it is 52 degrees up in Minneapolis. And for them, that's actually pretty warm for this time of the year. There is something brewing, but it's at a slow crawl, and this will give us that midday shower chance tomorrow and even a spotty shower overnight. But again, it's not going to be for all of you, but the clouds do stream in come early tomorrow morning in your National Zymer hour by hour forecast. This is 8 o'clock. If maybe you set your Saturday off with heading to the grocery store, no huge concerns there either. Temperatures will start your day in the mid to upper 40s for a lot of you. The closer you get to the lake, remember there's that moderating factor of that body of water that's still in the mid 50s. Some of you still close to 60 when it comes to a lake temperature. A midday shower is a possibility even through the afternoon, but I think you can find that closer to the immediate lake shore. As we go through your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, we get an extra hour of beauty sleep, so my mom would say, this weekend as we fall back together. High temperatures by Monday in the mid 60s, and then a reality check by the end of the week, and we've got some rain to break on down. I've got the latest coming up in the next half hour of 3 News at 4, but we're back right after the break.